loves, good morning. Do you know whose birthday it is? Are we celebrating this guy's birthday? Whose birthday is it? What? It's Elmo's birthday? What? Christina? What? Happy birthday, Elmo. Can we wish Elmo a big happy birthday on the count of three, my loves? Okay, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Elmo! Give a little shot. We love Elmo, don't we? We love him. So, my loves, now any party has some decorations. What are you doing for your Elmo celebration today? Share in our comments, my loves, what you're doing to celebrate Elmo's amazing birthday today. If you want to share your party hat, now remember on our Facebook page, you can still find this video that Miss Mel and Christina Bunny did on making this amazing party hat and the materials you're going to need to make this hat whenever you watch this video today, my loves. And also after our story today, Miss Mel and Christina Bunny are going to show you how to make it again. Okay? So, wait a minute. We got to sing happy birthday to this guy right here. He's a special dude. We're going to celebrate his birthday. So on the count of 3, let's sing a big happy birthday song to him together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elmo. Happy birthday to you. What? Give him a round of applause. He's going wild. He's going wild. Happy birthday, Elmo. Now, Elmo's birthday also happens to fall on World Read Aloud Day. What? That's amazing. So we are going to read aloud to Elmo today. What? And he shared with us one of his absolute favorite stories to share with all of you today. Just one you, my loves. You are all very special in each and every way, and there is just one of you in this world, so you always be you, my loves. You're wonderful and amazing. Just one you. So let's read, Elmo. Are you ready to read it with us today? It's World Read Aloud Day. Would you like to sit on my lap? What? I get the special treat of Elmo sitting on my lap today for story time? What? That's amazing. Because you just messed up. What? World Read. Are you comfy, Elmo? Now, our amazing book that Elmo picked for us today, Just One You, is written by Lillian Jane, and it's illustrated by Joe Matthews. Now, remember, my loves, today, feel free to share in our comments a picture of you with your party hat or how you're celebrating Elmo's birthday today. What? Now, you guys know all these amazing characters on Sesame Street. What? I love them all. So let's start this amazing story, Just One You. This is a story that's all about you and all the spectacular things that you do. So please come along and we'll show you it's true. There is just one and only one wonderful you. Who is it? You. Look all around. Can you look all around with me? And here's what you'll find. You are unique, my loves. You are one of a kind. You be you. Oh, Cookie Monster. Who's ready for cookies? Are some of us having some tasty treats today while we're watching Elmo's birthday? The smile on your face is no smile I've seen. You're one special person, if you know what I mean. Your mind's full of magic to thrill and delight. Even on dark days, my loves, you make the world oh so bright. No job is too big. No task is too small. No matter what comes, you tackle it all. Good job. You big helpers, my loves, always big helpers. You're strong and you're brave. You're a grand superhero. You give 100%. You never give 0. You're always kind. And you're always mindful. You dance and you dusk until dawn. Don't ever stop trying, because you know what? We'll cheer you on. Let's read that again. Don't ever stop trying, because we'll cheer you on. Your adventures may take you away from your home sometimes, but your best friends will be there whenever you roam. And wish you, oh, Christina's giving a big hug to Elmo. You want to give him a big hug again, Elmo? Is that okay? Oh. But your best friends will be there wherever you roam, my loves, no matter how far. Everyone knows how terrific you are. We've always been sure that you will go far. Absolutely. We believe in you, my loves. You be you, and you be the best you can be. You're amazing. You be you. Because even if something doesn't go your way, you will turn things around the very next day, right? Absolutely. We trip up, we turn it around the next day. You're perfect as you. There's no one who's better. So be true to yourself and always remember, there is just one you. No other person does the things that you do. You be you, my loves. You are amazing. And let's count like the count. Ready? Here we go. We're going to give a big count to 10. Our count inspired us today. And then when we reach 10, we'll wish Elmo a big happy birthday again. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, happy birthday, Elmo. What? I guess I ready to tickle him. Yes, it's absolutely positively true. There's just one and only one wonderful you. Happy birthday, Elmo. Happy birthday. What? And Elmo, it's birthday and it's World Read Aloud Day. So my loves, celebrate that joy of World Read Aloud Day and Elmo's birthday by reading aloud to your brothers, your sisters. Maybe read a book to your auntie or your grandmom or your granddad or your uncle. Read aloud over Zoom. Read aloud today, my loves, and share the love of reading with everyone that happens to fall on Elmo's birthday. How cool is that? What? There's just one you. And now, my loves, Miss Mel, promise you. Elmo, can I put you on our chair today? Is that okay? Thank you so much. We are going to have a fun time today. Mr. Elmo, there you go, sweetheart. We are going to have a fun time today doing some crafts that Elmo inspired. Right, Elmo? Did you inspire these amazing crafts today? Yes, he did. What? So we're going to show you, like Miss Mel said, how to make that party hat, our amazing party hat today. So after our story time, you're going to be able to get a template just like this one that Miss Mel created. Now, what you're going to do in this template, it's going to be shared directly after story time today. What you're going to do is print this off. And you can even print it off in black and white and color it in. So that's fine, my loves. So you're going to be able to use scissors with this. But Miss Mel and Christina Bunny always recommend that you use the scissors with your parents, my loves, right? So you cut this out. And then you don't have to have a red piece of paper. Oh, no. If you have any different color construction paper, that's fine too. If you have regular blank paper, that's fine too, just this size. Because you know what? You can always take a crayon on its side and color the whole paper in red. So that is absolutely fine because we always try to find ways to make things in our home with all the materials that we already have in our homes, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take this paper long ways. We're going to fold it in half. And we're going to create two halves. Ready? And then our parents are going to help us with our scissors. Cut that paper, cut it in half. Right, Elmo? And then, after we've cut our template out, our eyes and our nose connected together and our smile, we are going to put those right up here. We're going to paste them. We can glue them on right in the middle. You can glue them on or you could tape them on. Do you see how Miss Mel did it with Christina? I got a Christina kiss. I lucked out today. So we put them on right here with glue or tape, my loves, right in the center. And then what you want to do is you can tape, staple, or glue the side, right, to make sure it's connected. And then we're going to size it to your head, right? Absolutely. And you can do that with staples on the side or glue or tape, whatever you think is going to stick the most. So that is totally cool. So you can watch this video again. Again, if you'd like, listen to our story, amazing story, and make your hat and get ready for another story time. And my loves, Miss Mel and Christina Bunny also put in our links today, in celebration for Elmo's birthday, Sesame Street printable activities. There's a ton of printable activities in there. Coloring pages, masks, compliment cards. These were two. When you click on that link today, you go underneath and it's Sesame Street printable activities, and they're all free. So you can print them right off on your computer. A couple of the favorite ones that Christina Bunny and I found were the printable masks. What? These are awesome. Now, you can print these off on regular paper. There's so many different characters. There's Grover. There's Oscar the Grouch. There's Elmo. What? There's Big Bird. Now, you can print these off in regular black and white or in color. And if you print them off in black and white, you can color them in. No problem. And you know what? To give them an extra sturdiness as a mask, if you're doing them on regular paper, when you cut them out with your parents, put them against a cereal box or a cracker box, as Miss Mel says. So you can cut that out and paste it onto the cereal box or the cracker box to make it a little sturdier. All right, my loves. Now, we printed out some and we made masks of our own. What? What? We're going to actually put these on our plush animals today. Now, you're going to need some extra help if you're using this as a mask from your parents to cut out the center here so you can see through these masks and you don't trip if you wear them. Okay, my loves? And you have Grover, and as we said, you have Big Bird, and you have Elmo. So you have all these amazing characters, and you can even put them on your dolls, which is amazing. Now, another amazing activity that we found in our Sesame Street printable activities, when we did them, Christina Bunny and I decided these are printable compliment cards. And in honor of Elmo today, right, Elmo? We had printable compliment cards, and you know what? These are one of Elmo's favorites, too. And it says you can write special notes to each other or send them to a friend in the mail. You're a star. You're as sweet as Elmo. You're galactically wonderful. You are loved. And you're the best. How awesome is this? Especially these little lunchbox notes that you can print off and put in your little lunch bags. What? Oh my goodness, these are amazing. Miss Mel's going to send a few of these off, I think. These are so cool. Well, Elmo, thank you for joining us today and saying hi to everyone out in our amazing, virtual, wonderful family. Hello, and happy birthday again to Mr. Elmo. Now, my loves, also, there is another link today in our Facebook feed and our printable decorations for your Sesame Street party celebrating Elmo. So maybe you want to make those today, but you don't have to have a paper fan for them. You can use regular paper and just fold it in a way to make it look like a fan. So you should be fine with that. You don't need a paper fan to do that one. So my loves, happy birthday to Elmo. And if it's anyone else's birthday out there, happy birthday, my loves. You be you. You are amazing because remember, there is just one you and only you, my loves. And remember, you are always amazing. No, when you put your heart and soul into everything, you can never do any wrong and you are always amazing, my loves. So happy birthday. Look out for my loves for our amazing template after story time today. And our picture book recommendations. We had a celebration of Chinese New Year yesterday and Elmo's birthday today. So we have some great Elmo books and Chinese New Year books for you to pick with your parents and pick up at our library through curbside pickup. So my loves, have a great day. We'll see you on Monday for Mo Willem's birthday. Elephant and Piggy party time. What? Have a great day, my loves.